everybody, today we have beautiful gaming laptop, Razer Blade 17 inches, 2022 model. It's an RZ09-0423 series laptop with Intel Core i9 12th gen processor and beautiful graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti. Also beautiful screen, 144 Hz refresh rate. Let's take it apart, let's see what we can fix, replace or upgrade. So start with taking out all the screws from the bottom case. Next you have to separate the bottom case from the palmrest. Once you finish, then you have access to all the internal components. So always start with disconnecting the battery, and now we can take it out. So if the battery is swollen or doesn't hold the charge, you can replace it. Alright, so that's our battery. Here we have the model number. Here, that's our RAM memory slots. They both are empty now, but this is where the memory goes, and you can replace it if it doesn't work, or you could upgrade to the bigger one. Here, that's our M2 slots for our SSD drives. One is for the main storage for the system, the other one is for your data. So you can replace them if they don't work, or you could upgrade them for bigger ones. Here, those are our speakers. So if the sound is bad, you can replace your speakers. So unscrew these two screws. So actually three. Disconnect from the motherboard. Now we can take out the speaker, and that's the opposite side. So those are the speakers. Look for the part numbers on the white sticker on the back. Here, that's our Wi-Fi card. If the Wi-Fi doesn't work, you can replace this card. Gently disconnect the antenna wires. And now take out the screw on the top. Now we can pull it out. That's the Wi-Fi card. Here on the top, you should have the model number. Now let's take out our heatsink and the cooling fans. So if your laptop overheats and you would like to add cooling paste between the heatsink and the processor or the graphics, this is how you can do it. Same with the fans. If they don't spin, or they make grinding noise, or they are clogged with hair, then you can replace them. Okay, now let's make sure that no cables are in our way. So let's disconnect the video cable and the Wi-Fi antennas. Now we can pull out the fan, disconnect from the motherboard. So that's one side. Here we have the model number. Now let's take out the other side. This cable is also routed through the fan, so disconnect it. That's our second fan. Now let's take out the heatsink. Oh yeah, that was the problem. All right, so that's our heatsink. And here we have the model number, the part number. Here, that's our processor and the graphics. They both soldered on the motherboard, so if these don't work, you have to replace the whole motherboard. So now let's take out the motherboard. So take out all the remaining screws. Now, oh, don't forget to disconnect all the remaining cables. Alright, so that's our motherboard. Look for the part number on the sticker or on the board. Alright, and now let's disconnect our screen assembly from the Palmrest keyboard assembly. So take out all the screws for the hinges. And there is one more screw here on that lower section. Same on this side. Now gently unfold the hinges, and you can disconnect the Palmrest keyboard assembly. Let's see if we can take out the touchpad. Okay, looks like you could replace just the keyboard if you take out all these tiny screws. Same with the touchpad. But usually this part is sold like that in one piece, the keyboard Palmrest touchpad assembly. And if you need parts, check gatlaptopparts.com. And now that's our beautiful screen, very thin, very fragile. I would recommend to look for the whole screen if you can. Otherwise it's very hard to pull out the LCD without cracking this. So, and if you don't feel like fixing your laptop, you can always sell it, no matter if it's working or broken. Sell it to sellbroke.com. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.